Hello everyone. Today I will discuss another chapter of conic section, which is ellipse. And that is the third section of what ellipse. Initially I have discussed about the circle. Next there I have discussed about the parabola. And today here I will discuss about the ellipse. The ellipse means it's what? An ellipse, which is the locus of a point in a plane which moves in the plane in such a way that the ratio of its distance from a fixed point, this fixed point is known as what? Focus, and the same plane to its distance from a fixed straight line. The fixed straight line is known as what? Directrix. Is always constant. Is always constant, which is always less than unity. This is always less than unity. তার মানে 1 কে তোমার সদায় কি হৈ থাকে তোমাৰ less. And the constant ratio, this constant ratio is generally denoted by the symbol E, which is the known as what? Eccentricity of the ellipse. That means if we consider a line, a fixed line is this one, and the more fixed line more consider this one, and there is a point, fixed point, this one. This fixed point is what? S, and there is a point, at a point more consider this point is P. S P to distance, a distance to a particular is a line draw as this line, a line draw a P point or distance. A 2 point more consider M. That means P is a set of points, S is what? Fixed point, and this line is what? Fixed line. This ratio, current ratio, SP by what? PM. This ratio is always what? E. SP by PM is always what? Equal to E. The E is always lies between where 0 and 1. It is strictly less than 1. Then this figure, a P that is the focus, locus, P is the locus, তেনেকুৱা যিবিলাক point consider আমি কৰিম, এই locus হিচাপে consider কৰিলে এটা আমি shape পাম. This shape is known as what? Ellipse. Okay. Now here we discuss the equation, the standard equation of ellipse. The standard equation of ellipse is generally this one: x squared by a squared plus y squared by b squared equal to 1. That is the standard equation. Here A is strictly greater than B. A is what? Strictly greater than B. Then you have a relation B squared equal to A squared into 1 minus C squared. Ultimately, A squared minus B squared equal to A squared into E squared. The value of E is always lies between 0 and 1. A means what? This one is distance from the center. It was a particular ellipse. That is the center of this ellipse. It was a particular center to. And this point 1 is what? This point A, another is what? A dash. These are the vertices. That means the given ellipse intersect the major axis. This axis intersect at 2 points. This one is known as what? Vertices. Therefore, here one point is fixed point is pxy, and A2 is a fixed point S, or that is the fixed line. This one, this fixed line is known as directrix, or the fixed point is known as focus. When you consider this one is fixed point and that is the fixed line, there is some moving point which satisfy the given condition. That this figure is known as what? Ellipse. From this figure, there is a line. This line passing through its focus and intersect its what? Any points on the ellipse. That this line is known as what? Major axis. Again, another line, this one. It was at the center of this ellipse, passing through its what? Center of this ellipse, and this line is known as what? Minor axis. This one is minor axis, and these 2 points S and S dash, which is known as what? Foci, that is the plural form of focus. The coordinate is what? AE 0 and minus AE 0, and that is the from center and a given fixed line which is known as directrix. This length is what? A by E. Therefore, the equation of this directrix is equal to what? X equal to A by E. And from this side, you have X equal to minus A by E. And coordinate of this vertices is equal to one is what? A0, another is what? Minus A0. Okay, and center of this ellipse is 0, 0. And the line, this one is known as what? Minor axis of the ellipse. The length is equal to twice b. Already I have discussed these things. Vertices is equal to this one, and major axis is equal to twice a. Okay, and equation, the point of intersection of major axis and the directrix. It also to my major axis this one and directrix. The a particular point of coordinate is what? X equal to a by e. Therefore, a by e is 0, and this one is what? Minus a by e 0. Therefore, coordinate is what? This one. And minor axis, the y-axis intersect the ellipse at the point this one. I get a point to intersect. One point is what? 0b. This one. Another point is what? 0 minus b. Therefore, length of this minor axis is equal to twice b, where b is what? Less than a. That means a is always greater. And principal axis, the major and minor axis together are called the principal axis of the ellipse. And always center is what? 0, 0. And diameter means that the chord of the conic which passes through the center is called the diameter of the conic. Okay. And focal chord means what? A chord which is passes through its focus. The focus or mother is equal to our line par hobo, like that this one. Either line. This one is known as what? Focal chord. Passes through its what? Focus, which is known as focal chord. And any line which is perpendicular to the major axis over the perpendicular line draw or like that, this one. This one is known as what? Double ordinate. And the latus rectum means what? The focal chord which is passing through its what? Focus. Focal chord is always passes through its what? Focus, and perpendicular to what? Major axis. Then L1 L1 dash or L dash, which is passes through its focus and perpendicular to the major axis, which is known as what? Focal chord. And the length of this focal chord is what? Twice b square by a. Length of the, not focal chord, latus rectum. Length of the latus rectum is equal to what? Twice b square by a. This one. Yeah, तुम्हारा generally minor axis whole square by major axis. Minor axis or length तुम्हारा generally की हुआ twice b whole square, and major axis is equal to twice a. Yeah, like 2 cancel out. Ultimately, you have twice b square by a, which is the length of the latus rectum. Also, you can express in this particular pattern. Okay, and equation of this latus rectum, a line or a latus rectum equation की हुई यार पर यार distance by a. It is parallel to y-axis. Therefore, equation is for x equal to ae. That means both sides has a total line. Therefore, you have x equal to plus minus ae. Therefore, you have this one. And endpoints of this latus rectum. Endpoints of this latus rectum. Endpoint of this latus rectum is what? That is the length of the latus rectum. This length is what? Ae. And total length is what? Twice b square by a. Twice b square by a. Therefore, length of LS की over to b square by a. B square by a. Therefore, a particular P point, the L point coordinate, particular L point coordinate over AE, comma b square by a. Or to say that I want to AE, comma minus b square by a. Similarly, you can find in this portion also. Okay, the same procedure you can find another one. Okay, and focal radii SP is equal to length as SP and SP dash. SP and SP dash. SP is this one into point S as to point P, and S dash P. It are total length to tomorrow. It this length is known as what? Focal radii. SP के मान होगा तुम्हारा a minus ex होता है, और S dash P है वो तुम्हारा a plus ex. And sum of distance from any point on the ellipse from its foci is equal to twice it. That means it is the one of the important result. That means sum of distances from a fixed point on the ellipse from these two foci is equal to length of this major axis. And also the given result, you can find the eccentricity is equal to this one, root over 1 minus b square by a. And another two result is this one. One is this one. The sum of the focal distance of any point on the ellipse is equal to the major axis. and the distance of the focus from the extremity of a minor axis is equal to the semi-major axis, that means this one. And the equation of the ellipse, this one is nothing is mentioned. Then the rule of the assume is like that. So it was mentioned for another generally A is greater than B will assume for. And another form of the ellipse, if the given ellipse along the y-axis, major axis along the y-axis to the which one is greater? B is greater than what? E. B is greater than what? A. Okay. তেতিয়াহ'লে গম পাবা যে তাৰমানে y coordinate অলপ তলৰ ভ্যালুটো যদি গেটাৰ হয় that means what? Major axis along the y axis. আৰু x ৰ তলৰটো যদি তোমাৰ গেটাৰ হয় that means what? Major axis along the what? X axis. And similarly, the minor axis or length is equal to twice a, major axis twice b, and the equation is condition is a square equal to b square minus b square into 1 minus a square. আৰু যদি কেনেবাকে b গেটাৰ হয় তেতিয়াহ'লে ইয়াত b square, a গেটাৰ হ'লে এফালে পাৰ্টটো সদায় গেটাৰ পাৰ্ট পায়, b greater b square equal to a square into 1 minus a square. Otherwise, if b is a is greater, then you have a square equal to b square into 1 minus a square. And length of plus data rectum, the previous form is what? Twice b square by a. Here you have twice a square by b. And equation is what? Y equal to plus minus b. That means parallel to which axis? X axis. And at the end of this latest rectum, also you can find the same procedure which one already I have mentioned in the previous part. And equation of directrix is equal to y equal to plus minus b by a, and eccentricity is equal to e to root over 1 minus a square by b square. And that is the general equation of a ellipse. According to definition of the ellipse, which one already I have discussed, this length sp and the pm is equal to e. Sp by pm equal to e. The e is the eccentricity, always lies between 0 and 1. Then sp is equal to p is the any point of the ellipse, that is the locus, that is the locus point. According to distance formula, x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to squaring both sides will here e square, and pm is a perpendicular distance from this point to this line. Distance from perpendicular distance formula use করেছি মই lx plus my plus n equal to 0. Then putting the coordinate, then you have divided by root over l square plus m square, square করার কারণে l square root. That is the one of the important result from the this result you have from the general equation of an ellipse. Next, position of a point with respect to an ellipse. Say if you consider the equation of the ellipse already given like that, x squared by a squared plus y squared by b squared is equal to 1. That is the equation of the ellipse. Okay, now you have to find the position of this point. The putting this coordinate in the given ellipse is what? X square by a square minus y square by y square by b square minus 1. A particular expression, a expression I put করি this coordinate x or place of x1 y1 put করি x1 put করি or y place of y1 put করি. Putting this coordinate in the given expression, if this value is what? Greater than 0, the given ellipse, given point always lies outside of the ellipse. Otherwise, if it is equal to 0, then you can make it equal to 0, the given point lies on the ellipse. Otherwise, if this value is less than 0, the given point always lies inside the ellipse. That is the condition. The auxiliary circle or eccentric angle, that is the one of the important result. Auxiliary circle. Auxiliary circle means what? When you consider this ellipse, that is the ellipse, this major axis if you consider as a diameter, by if the major axis as a diameter, by using this diameter you have an ellipse, you have a circle. This circle is known as what? Auxiliary circle. Here also defines in the same procedure, a circle described in the major axis as the diameter is called a auxiliary circle. In generally, this length of this portion is equal to a. O a length কিমান আছে তোমাৰ a, তেতিয়াহ'লে ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়ালৈ length কিমান আছে তোমাৰ a হ'ব। Therefore, the equation of the circle to equation কি পাই গলা তুমি? X square plus y square is equal to a square. That is the equation of the circle. কারণ ইয়ার যেটো তোমার semi major axis or length, which is the length of its what? Radius. Okay, Now, if we consider this angle is equal to theta, this angle is equal to theta. Theta is always lies between 0 and twice pi, which is known as eccentric angle. তেতিয়াহ'লে তোমাৰ ইয়াত কি হ'ব? The coordinate of this point Q, you have a cos theta and a sin theta. According to coordinate, parametric form of a what? Circle, parametric form of a circle whose radius is what? A. Then the coordinate of this what? Parametric form is what? A cos theta and a sin theta. Again, according to the position of the point Q, you have a cos theta. মানে ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়ালে তোমাৰ আহি গ'ল AR line to আহি গ'ল তোমাৰ a cos theta. Now you have to find a coordinate of this point P. Here a particular point P is always lies on the what? Ellipse. Ellipse or equation was like x square by a square plus what? Y square by b square is equal to 1. Here x coordinate, here O energy to coordinate asile this one a cos theta, which one is same as what? Ellipse also. Ellipse for karone একে হ'ব তোমাৰ x coordinate কারণ particular point P. Then putting the x coordinate x equal to a cos theta in this particular expression, x or ঠাইত তুমি a cos theta যদি মই put কৰি দিও r place in place of x, then you have y squared is equal to you have b squared sin square theta. That means y equal to you have b sin theta. Y equal to you have b sin theta. Y means what? The coordinate of this point, y coordinate of this point P. তেতিয়াহ'লে a P point তোমাৰ coordinate to কি পাই গ'লা তুমি? A cos theta and b sin of theta. Okay, a cos theta and what? B sin theta. That is the coordinate. In a particular, the point P, a cos theta, b sin theta, which is the parametric form of the what? Given ellipse. It was a parametric form pala. And one important result is what? Length of Pn. LPN by LQN. Pn, the length of Pn is equal to what? B sin theta according to Cartesian parametric form. And Qn is equal to what? A sin theta. And this one is always reduced. Ultimately, you have P by A. B means what? The B always represent what? Semi-minor axis. And A always represent what? Semi-major axis. Ultimately, you have this result. Okay. Next, here I will discuss about the parametric representation. This one already I have discussed. X equal to a cos theta and y equal to b sin theta, which represent the parametric form of the ellipse. This one theta is a parameter, okay, which is known as eccentric angle. Okay. Again, line and an ellipse. When you consider particular line, another more line more consider. So say if you consider that is the ellipse, the given line may be intersect the ellipse or maybe touch or neither intersect nor touch. Okay, if you consider the equation of this line is y equal to mx plus c, that is the equation of this line, meets the ellipse, this one, in 2 points real. Yet can I put this one? How can you find it? Putting this value y equal to mx plus c, y equal to mx plus c put in particular this equation, and you have a quadratic expression. In a quadratic expression, if it has real, both the roots are real, therefore the given line always intersect 2 points. Otherwise, if its discriminant is equal to 0 from the quadratic equation, then the given line touches the what? Given ellipse. Otherwise, if discriminant is less than 0, then the given line neither touch nor intersect. And by with the help of from the discriminant condition, you have these three results. One is what? C squared is less than a square plus a square into m square plus b square, and c square equal to this one, and c square is greater than this. Okay. Otherwise, if this one is less than a square into m square plus b square, the point is real. That means the given line intersect and is equal to this one. Then this one is coincide. That means the touches the ellipse. And otherwise, if it is greater, then the line is what? Imaginary, neither intersect nor touch. Then when you consider y equal to mx plus c, that means the given line touches the ellipse, which is known as what? Tangent. Under what condition? If c square equal to a square into m square plus b square. The equation of the chord of the ellipse joining any two points of the eccentric angle. এই দুটা পয়েন্ট যদি তোমাৰ eccentric angle দুটা পয়েন্ট যদি দিয়া থাকে, এটা আলফা দিয়া আছে আৰু এটা বিটা, তুমি দুটা কোঅৰ্ডিনেট কনসিডাৰ কৰি লবা। তাই a cos alpha আৰু b sin alpha, and another point is what? A cos beta, b sin beta, 2 points. One is what? A cos alpha, b sin of alpha. One point is this one. Another is a cos of beta and b sin of beta. These 2 points. By using these 2 points, using 2-point form, you can find the equation of this one chord of an ellipse joining these 2 points. And tangent to an ellipse. Equation of a tangent to the given ellipse at a point x1, y1. There are two methods. One is what already I have mentioned, like that. And second one, if you differentiate the equation of the ellipse, say x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Differentiate this one. Differentiation করার লগে particular point to put করিম this one x1, y1, which give the slope of the tangent. By using 1-point slope form, you can find the equation of the ellipse is this one. And already I have discussed in the previous class, that means previous chapter in parabola. When you find the equation of tangent, x is replaced by x1, x1, x square is replaced by x1, y square is replaced by y1, and twice x is replaced by x plus x1, twice y is replaced by y plus y1, and twice xy is replaced by xy1 plus yx1, and c is replaced by c. Now, here the equation is x square is replaced by what? Xx1. Therefore, equal to xx1. Y square is replaced by y1. Then you have the equation is this one. Equation by that. That is the equation of a tangent passing at which point? At x1, y1. Okay. And slope form. The equation of tangent is c equal to, ultimately you have from the given result this one, c equal to root over plus minus root over a square m square plus b square. It y equal to mx, c type plus minus into value, which is the equation of the ellipse slope form. Okay. And to solve for it, then you can find the point of contact is this one. This result. Point of contact level, I mean particular result, I mean use for it. And similarly, the equation of tangent in parametric form. Point to case a cos theta b sin theta, x1 x1 by a square, y1 by b square আছে x or type put করে দিলে x1 or place put করে দিলে a cos theta হলে a cancelable, and similarly b sin theta b cancel possible. Ultimately you have this result. Okay. And eccentric angle of a point of contact of two parallel tangent differed by pi. That is the one of the important result. And point of intersection of the tangent at the point alpha and beta is this one. Okay. Now, the normal to the ellipse. The equation of the ellipse is given x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. That is the equation of the ellipse. And the equation of the normal at a point. Similarly, তোমার ইয়ার derivative করিবা আর a particular point put করে slope of the tangent করলে বলে the next you have slope of the normal, and by using 1-point slope form you can find the equation of the normal at a point x1, y1 is this one. Okay. And slope form is what? Putting the value of c is equal to this part, a square m square by a square minus b square into m divided by this one. That is the equation of the normal in slope. And the parametric form, the putting this value, this coordinate a cos theta and b sin theta in the given expression, then you have this equation. That put করে level particularly expression to the put করে দিও x place or a cos theta and y place or b sin theta, ultimately you have this result. The chord of contact P and P be tangent from any point, say A to the particular point radius, A dollar A2 point. Tangent Px1 y1 to the ellipse. This one, the equation of the chord of contact AB. AB line dollar equation I put. That is the equation of what? Chord of contact. And pair of tangent. A pair of tangent AP and PP. You have, which is known as what, pair of tangent. This one you have with the help of this result SS1 equal to t square, and this part is known as what, t. It is generally t will consider করা হয় s1 was a particular the coordinate দেয়া আছে x1 y1 এর coordinate particular this expression which is known as what, s1, and that is the s1 a particular this expression, and is equal to t square. T square means what, this one already I have discussed of the equation of the chord of the contact. And the director circle, the locus of a point of intersection of the tangent which meet the right angle is called a director circle. Say, if we consider an ellipse, if we consider an ellipse like that, here from a tangent draw is one tangent is this one, and here also we consider another tangent. If the given these two tangent makes 90 degree, এই টেনজেন্টৰ যিবিলাক পইণ্ট পালা এনেকে যিবিলাক আমি তুমি টেনজেন্ট এনেকে ড্ৰ কৰিবা, টোটাল টেনজেন্টে কি কৰিছে তোমাৰ এংগল 90 ডিগ্ৰী য'ত য'ত পইণ্ট আহিব, বহুত টেনজেন্ট হ'ব, ইয়াত ড্ৰ কৰিবা, এইফালে ড্ৰ কৰিলে আৰু এটা পইণ্ট ইয়াত আহিব 90 ডিগ্ৰী, ইয়াত আহিব 90 ডিগ্ৰী। এই 90 ডিগ্ৰী কৰোঁতে এটা তোমাৰ ইয়াৰ এনেকুৱা পইণ্টবিলাকৰ মাজেদি পাছ হোৱা এটা ফিগাৰ পাবা। দিছ ফিগাৰ দিছ ইজ এ চাৰ্কেল। দিছ চাৰ্কেল is known as what, director circle. That means what, the point, the set of points passes through what, set of points which is what, perpendicular of its what, tangent. তার মানে টেনজেন্টৰ perpendicular point with intersection pointer মাজেৰে পাৰ হোৱা যিটো ফিগাৰ পাবা, this figure is known as what, director circle, and the equation is what, x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. Okay, that is the equation of what, director circle. And equation of the chord with the midpoint, যদি তোমাৰ chord to midpoint দিয়া থাকে, then you have this one, এইটো পোৱা যাব। Okay, these are the some important points which one already I have discussed. Okay, thank you.